What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So for the first like 2 minutes of this video, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover because I lost the audio. Like something's going on with my camera and it's just doing this really weird thing. But yeah, I lost that. But to prime my eyes today, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base in the shade medium to just go ahead and prime. And then I'm gonna be taking this Sephora Collection concealer brush to just go ahead and blend that all out. But yeah, the audio's gone. I have no clue why that's happening, and I need to figure it out because it just keeps going on. But anyway, for today's eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Mothership 6 Midnight Sun for today's look. I love this palette. And I'm going to first take this shade called Taboo, which is that pretty caramel color. Just go ahead and put all over my crease area. But just to kind of let you guys know, this was going to be, or it is a chit chat get ready with me, and I was talking about the VMAs and like Chloe and Normani's performance and how people have just been really mean to Chloe. So when that comes in later in the video, just so you guys aren't confused, that is what I was talking about. Okay, I'm just putting this color all over my crease, and then I'm going to take this shade right here called Vermilion Venom, which is just really pretty like rustic red shade, and I'm just gonna go over top of that with it. It's such a pretty color. I love it. But yeah, that's kind of that with that. So I ran out of things to say right here, so we're just gonna let this play for a little bit. And then taking this shade right here, I completely forgot to look at the name of the shade in the box, but it's that pretty like coppery shade. It's so pretty. But I'm just gonna take a brush after I put that down and just like marry the two colors together. I didn't show it on camera, but yeah, I'm just gonna take a brush and blend those two shades together. And then for lashes today, I'm gonna be using the Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos. Yes, Mykonos, to go ahead and put that on. And my audio should be coming back in now, so bye guys. All right, so these lashes are so cute. All right, so we're gonna move on to a primer. For primer, I'm gonna use literally what's in my vicinity. So I'm gonna take this Rare Beauty primer. This is they have two of them. This is the illuminating one. On a little bit of some luminosity. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to be using a combination of two. So I'm going to take the Best Skin Ever by Sephora Collection. This is in the shade 45P. This is like a perfect match for my skin. And then I'm going to mix it with the Dior Backstage. And this is in the shade 6 Warm Peach. Now this is more on the redder side of a foundation. And I like to just be a little bit red. So I do like 3 pumps of this, and then I pour a little bit of this in here. And just make like a good old concoction. I feel like a chemist. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. Let's talk about the VMAs, right? Okay, so I don't know what this hatred is for Chloe, and then people are doing the absolute most talking about, oh, her tampon is showing the string. I'm just like, the performance was so good that you guys are looking for shit that doesn't even exist. Like, I'm sorry, what? First of all, I doubt that is true. I feel like anything that might have been like a string or something from her cloth, her outfit. But even so, like, it's like women who are trying to call her. I'm just like, bro, we've all had those moments where, you know, it's a little embarrassing, and it's just like, why are y'all so like hell bent on calling out stuff, like almost like trying to find something wrong, like you have to have some sort of flaw. And I just don't get what that is. And then let's talk about Normani now. Her performance, oh, chef kiss, like chef's kiss. Beautiful performance. I love the dancing, the singing, the breath control, like everything was just beautiful about her performance. Oh my goodness. Like, amazing. I might have to go back and add a little bit more. Actually, no, not might go back. No, I am gonna go back. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna just add a little bit more of that Vermilion Venom to the outer part of the eye, because it just looks a little washed out. Like when I look on camera, I don't like how I feel like I'm not really seeing it. Okay, so for concealer today, what have I been loving? Well, I'm almost out of this. Like, I really love this Clinique concealer, and there's not really much left in here, so I'm just putting you to the side. I've really been loving too this Dior concealer actually. I really like this a lot. So I'm gonna use this. This is a good concealer, it's good coverage. This is the shade 4W. Oh, and I didn't put on eyeliner, like on the top. I didn't put any eyeliner on. Oh my gosh, every time I just see my nails at the corner of my eyes, oh my gosh, I have got to get them freaking done. Like this looks horrible. Alright, so I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier, her setting powder in Translucent Honey. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set this concealer down. So right now with my makeup, you guys, we gotta trust the process. Right now I look really light. And it looks even lighter on camera. It does not look that light in person, but don't worry. I'm gonna bring it all back together, okay? So taking the Makeup Forever, their matte velvet powder, I'm using more powder. This is literally how I keep my makeup in place. Granted, I don't have oily skin, but I do want my makeup to stay in place. Like, I don't want you going nowhere. Don't budge. This. So I'm gonna take this powder right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press this underneath. To just give it a little bit more of a golden look, just a little bit more. But I'm not really using too much of this powder, honestly. I'm just using a little bit. Okay, and now let's go ahead and give ourselves some color. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place bronzer, which I really like this bronzer. This is in the shade dark, so I think they have like 5 colors and I have the dark. Typically I just run my brush through both and I use both sides. That way I get use out of both of them. So I feel like one side is just a little bit red and just might be a little too deep for me on its own, so I like to mix them. And then I'm gonna take just this right here, and I'm just gonna do a slight nose contour. Not because I wanna contour my nose, but because it just looks like color's missing there. So I just put a little bit of something down the side of my nose. I don't really care if it's actually like making my nose look slimmer or anything. I just want the color there. And then taking the Sephora Collection, their Micro Smooth Powder. Ooh. All right. Taking the Sephora Collection, their Micro Smooth Powder, I have the shade Deep 60. I'm just gonna use this to also bring some color back to my face, because I like to go really bright with my concealer. So, well, actually I used to go brighter. I used to go way brighter, but I've calmed down. I'm just gonna use this to like kind of like, you see how it's kind of slightly toning it down, so it's not so like in your face, like, damn, her shit bright. This looks so good. I like these. Okay, girl. Y'all, I am going to be seeing WizKid next month. So WizKid is going on tour, and I got my tickets. I can't wait to just sing like that Made in Lagos album. I mean, I'm happy that people are, you know, they like the song Essence, but let me just tell you something. If you like Essence, right, and you haven't heard his album, which it came out last year, if you ain't heard the album, because I'm telling you, it's even more songs on there that you're gonna love. Oh my gosh. I mean, and he has other songs too besides just that album, but oh my goodness. By the way, the blush is, I use this all the time. I love it so much. I mean, I think because it's also right in my vicinity. This is the Shayla X Colourpop. If it will focus. Okay, this is her blush, and this is in the shade Whistle While You Work. It's the pink one. I literally use this all the time, and it's no longer being sold, but you can grab whatever pink blush. Honestly, I feel like blush is blush. Like, I mean, I don't see no difference. I mean, if it's pink or peach, yeah, but for the most part, a pink blush gonna look like a pink blush. A peach blush gonna look like a peach blush. So yeah. But anyways, that album is fire. Highlighter, I'm gonna be using MAC's Gold Deposit. I really feel like I'm out of focus for a lot of this video, so I am sorry, but like, I don't know why it just keeps like knocking me out of focus. Okay, but I'm so excited for this concert. Oof, 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 oof. And then I'm gonna take this Sasha, I was gonna say Ingla, I was like, this is not Ingla. The Sasha gel liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line the bottom part of my eye. Now, I actually really like this gel liner a lot. I used to use the Inglot one and the Anastasia one a lot, and I would always have that issue. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this, where it's just this awkward black dot sitting right there. It's like it almost bled down. I don't have the issue with this one. Like, this one actually stays in place. So I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario. This is their Master Mattes. And I'm just gonna take this black shade right here. Just because I guess I could have used the one from the patent, whatever. I'm just gonna use this one because I like using this palette for this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put some like bottom shadow down here. And I just want like a nice black. I swear, I feel like I do my makeup so much better when I'm not filming. I mean, this doesn't look bad, but like, I promise y'all. Oh, one size. I'm just gonna take some liner and just line the top here. Just so it looks a little better. And then let's just add a little bit of bottom mascara. A little bit of bottom mascara. I'm gonna use the Kosas mascara because it's bomb. I need to go buy more of this setting spray. I need to make a trip to Ulta because this is literally my favorite setting spray. This is the one good thing Morphe has done, is give us this setting spray. Like, I have nothing left. Just bathe in it. Actually, that's what I might do tomorrow too. Actually, no, I'm lying. I don't really want to leave my house, but I do need to buy a new setting spray. Y'all see? Y'all see how it didn't came together? Because at first it was looking a little scary, right? Just like, girl, that concealer looks a little light for you, girl. But you, listen, told you to trust the process. Trust the process. But now, let's go ahead and do our lip. So for lips today, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Intense 3 lip liner. And I'm going to line my lips. I have discovered a new lip combo that I really, really like. So I'm going to show you guys. It's always fun when you find a new variation of nude, right? Like, oh, I found a new way to do another nude lip that I really, really like. Okay, and then for the lip, I'm going to use... Sorry, this is also another item that you can't get anymore, but you can find dupes for all these. Like, there's so many things out on the market. This is the Shayla X Colourpop, her lipstick in the shade Quickie. This color, like anything peach like this, really. I'm sorry, I'm somebody that actually utilizes, I'm trying to utilize the stuff that I own. So I know a lot of people don't like to use stuff on camera if people can't get it anymore, but I don't believe in that. I feel like just dupe it, you know? And then I also want people to see, like, I actually use my makeup. So it's kind of hard to talk and do your lip at the same time. Now this lip gloss right here, I have rediscovered. This is the Sephora collection. This is their lip gloss in the shade Blessed. And this just, ooh, look at this, y'all. I feel like I'm running out. Let me go buy another one. Ooh. Yes, I'm gonna take my hair down. I'm gonna wear my hair down tonight. Typically, I like just having it in a ponytail, but I'm wearing it down tonight. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing tonight. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing tonight. I'm gonna show you guys the full glimpse. Okay, so I have this white bodysuit on. I don't know where it came from. My friend gave it to me. And then I have on these pleather shorts that I got from Shein. Super cute. And then these shoes are from Ego. I do have an Ego shoe haul for you guys because I have a lot of shoes that I ordered from Ego, so I do plan on doing that for you guys. And then as far as jewelry, I have on my James Avery charm. I kept my Apple Watch on because I did change the band to look a little bit more, to go better with my jewelry. So I changed the band. I'll link this down below if anybody wants this band. And then for earrings, if you guys, okay, I'm doing a side. I just have on studs. Then I have on my necklace from Pandora. And then I have on my James Avery rings, just, you know. And then, I mean, I do have on 2 anklets that I wear all the time. I just don't like take them off. Typically, I wouldn't want to wear them with crisscross shoes, but I really don't care. It's gonna be dark anyways. And then I paired it with this bag right here. Got this bag from Shein as well too. So this is tonight's fit. And then let me show you guys perfume because I love perfume. So of course, I just love looking at my tray. This is just so aesthetically pleasing. I just love it. All my perfumes are here. All my roller balls are there. But anyways, the perfume we're wearing tonight is going to be none other than my Baccarat Rouge by MFK. Listen, this is a head turner. You want people to be stopping you. You want nonstop compliments for the end of the whole night? Baccarat Rouge. if it will focus on it. Anyways, yeah, this one, that's what I'm gonna be wearing tonight. Let me sit down. All right, but anyways, you guys, that is the end of this video. I really like this format. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well too. I find doing these videos are really fun. They're just not too fun to edit. That's why I don't do them as often, because I have to edit all the footage of me doing my whole face. But I mean, overall, I do like doing this. I hope you guys did enjoy this style of video. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.